Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Naila Sattar from Government Women Degree College, Kachak. Today we are going to take start of chapter number 2, Basic Concepts and Terminology of Databases. In this chapter, first of all, we will discuss about the construction of records and files. In the construction of records and files, basically the traditional file management system uses the fields, records and the files to organize the data. Now I will explain you these terminologies one by one with example. What is field? A set of one or more related characters is called the field. It is the smallest unit of the data that can be accessed by the user. All field names must be unique and meaningful. For example, employee ID, employee name, hire date, job title, and phone can be the fields of an employee's record. Is it clear? Now, what is the record? A collection of the related fields used as a single unit is called a record. Each record represents a different entity. All records in the file contain the same fields. Now, what is file? A collection of the related records used as a single unit is called a file. A file is also known as dataset. Files are stored on different storage media such as hard disk, USB flash drive, or optical disk, etc. A file must have a meaningful name. Just like employees file mean employee, student file name student. Is it clear? Now come toward the next topic, that is length of the field. Length of the field has two types, fixed length and the variable length. A fixed length field contains the predefined number of the characters or bytes. The data entered in fixed length field cannot exceed the allocated length of the field. If the data entered in fixed length field is smaller than the field length, the remaining space will be empty. It results in the wastage of the storage space. Suppose a field country is specified as the fixed length of the 20 characters. It will always occupy 20 characters on the disk. But if the user enters 8 characters, the remaining 12 spaces will be filled with blank space. Is it clear? So this is the wastage of the storage space. Now come toward the next type of the field length, that is the variable length field. A variable length field does not contain predefined number of characters or the bytes. So this is the difference. Is it clear? It occupies the space according to the data entered by the user. The variable length field does not contain any extra blank spaces. So it means there is no wastage of the storage space in the variable length field, but it was the wastage of the storage space in the fixed length field. So this was also the difference. Suppose the user enters Pakistan in city field. The field will occupy 8 characters in the memory. The field will occupy 4 characters if the user enters Iran. So it's mean it will occupy the space according to the data entered by the user. So there is no wastage of the storage space. So this is the variable length field that vary according to the data that is entered by the user. Thank you so much, girls. You are welcome to ask any question. If you have any ambiguity, any problem, any question come in your mind, then you can ask. Thanks a lot.